Cubes and their interesting patterns. In this module, you will learn about cubes of numbers and some interesting patterns they form. You already know that a cube is a solid bounded by 6 identical squares. Also, when we multiply the length of its side 3 times, we get the volume of a cube. This is a cube with side 1 centimeter. Its volume is 1 times 1 times 1. We represent it as 1 raised to the power 3, which is 1 cube. If you take more 1 centimeter cubes to form a cube of side 2 centimeters, you will need 8 cubes. 8 can be expressed as 2 cube. Similarly, if you take cubes of side 1 centimeter to form a cube of side 3 centimeters, you will need 27 cubes. 27 can be expressed as 3 cube. The numbers 1, 8 and 27 are perfect cubes or cube numbers. They are called so because they equal the cube of a number. Now, look at cubes of some even numbers. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 6 is 216. And it goes on. We can observe that the cube of an even number is even. Now look at the cubes of odd numbers. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 5 is 125, and so on. Here, we observe that the cube of an odd number is odd. Now let's look at an interesting pattern involving some of odd natural numbers. The first odd number is the cube of 1. The sum of next two consecutive odd numbers is 8 or cube of 2. The sum of next 3 consecutive odd numbers is 27 or cube of 3. The sum of next 4 consecutive odd numbers is 64 or cube of 4. and the pattern goes on. In this module you have learnt, when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, the product obtained is called a perfect cube. The cube of an even number is always even. The cube of an odd number is always odd. Each prime factor of a number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of its cube.